nether. Look for some nether wart. That would be pretty cool. Get some potions going. Let's get that there. Oh, a lot. I'd rather find an open mine though. Cause like, I think I've already said, but there's like ores around every corner, which is cool. And you don't have to. Although I still don't mind going in one direction, because then you know they're pretty sure that there's not going to be any monsters to kill you, which is a bonus. Thought I said something there. Dead. Just keep mining. This episode probably hasn't been the most lively episode ever. Just getting some sheep and mining. Yep. Why is it always gravel? Despise gravel, it's so annoying. If it didn't fall, then it would be slightly better. It just looks terrible. I think it's just the worst block in the game. Diamond! Oh yeah. 2 of them. Oh yeah. Now I can make a pick and get some nethery wart. Nethery wart? Nether wart. I'm just gonna get this coal because it's handy to have. Just in case I run out. Which I probably will. There we go. Let's go back. Put the find in the treasure chest. Where's the chest? Either or. Yep. That was lucky. Didn't have to mine that far. Now all I have to do is, and I'll have one left over for spade. Where's that iron? Oh, almost on my path. Oh well. Mr. Spidey's probably still waiting out here for me. Is he? No, he isn't. But Mr. Skeleton is. But he can't catch me. Oh yeah. Right. Ta-da! Oh, look at that fair diamond pick. Now all I have to do is go find some go and find some lava. Did I just see something on fire? Mr. Skeleton, bye bye. Maybe bring some water. Oh, there he is. What the hell? Where'd you come out of? Ow. Bring the bucket. I think I actually seen skeleton remains for hitting me. I think I seen down by here there was something glowing. Yes, there it is. Oh no, wait, no. No. Error. Wait. It's over this direction. I seen lava or something glowing. Must have been. It was around somewhere. There it is. There we go. Maybe if I can redirect the water to get it. And then I can just mine away. Mine like there's no care in the world. Oh, this is pretty big. Right. Well, I'll make this down. Cobble. Damn it. I think if I... Ow! Right. If I just do that. There is a lot of water coming in. Come on. This place is pretty cool. Oh yeah. There we go. And now I have to wait till it breaks. I'm gonna run out of lava probably. Yep. Got one piece out of 14. Going good. Can't even pick it up. What the hell? Let's go find some more. There's that creeper. And a skeleton. Has terrible aim. Ow. Never mind. One piece. I'll have a look in this cave because this is really big. I'll probably die, but oh well. Damn it! My bed was missing or obstructed. Fun. Kept going. Man, it's kind of spazzed out there. Come on. Where it's down in the mine. Down in the other mine. Right. Come on, my stuff will respawn. Despawn. Like a diving board. Boing. To the rescue of my diamond. What way was Damn, get out of the water. Down this way. There's that stuff. Stupid skeleton. Yeah, I got my diamond stuff back. Oh yeah. Just light the place up. Some more lava? Did I? No, I didn't. Lost my XP. Oh. Kinda wanna go down there and kinda don't. Oops. I'll find some lava somewhere else. And then I can make a couple of buckets. No, I'll bring 2 buckets of water and make an unlimited water supply. That's it. That's how to do it. Let's go make another bucket. Unlimited water supply beside the lava. And what am I doing? Bucket. There. Right. go. Let's go where we first went to mine, because I think we fell into an open mine. Down here. And then to the left. Come on. I'll make a portal so that I can maybe make a... Oh yeah, this was... Aha! Perfect, look at that. It's already here for me. Let's see if it's all right underneath. Yes, it is. This is gonna be so boring. Come on. Hang on, I'll cut this bit out. Wait. Ah, that is why. I have got the 14 bits and I'm gonna go back up now. Now, I think I know what I'm gonna use that room for. Obviously, the portal can go down there. Which oh, stop letting your mouse go down. Right. So basically, what I'm gonna do is put the portal down there and see where it leads me. Obviously to Nether. Let's go. Sprint. Whoa, that was a big jump. Right. That's where the gravel finally comes in. Yep. Perfect. Right. Do 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 do. Right. Oh, perfect. Right, let's see if I can make this properly. Right. That'll be right in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and that's not going to be high enough. Oh well. Make it high enough. There we go. I think it's not sure actually. Never remember how to build this. I know how to build it, just can't remember how tall it has to be. I can't be bothered making it like a crushing it again, or crushing man on the obsidian again. I think it has to go up one more. Damn it. Well, I deserved it. Deserved it. I should always remember how to make a portal. I've done it many times. Oh, yeah, I think it needs to go anyway. Right. One more. Yeah, that's it. Right there, and then there. Moment of truth. Skidoosh! Oh. I made it too high, did I? What? Wait. What's going on? Why don't you work? Looks okay. Unless it's a new patch. Unless that's too high. Huh. Why doesn't it work? Unless the new patch you need the all four corners. I know. What is wrong I'm doing? Right, well that'll end the episode now anyway. So, thank you for watching, and I'll go and have a look to see if this needs all four corners. So yeah, goodbye, and thanks for watching.